Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the alternator on Toyota Sienna Easy Guide. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and removing under-engine covers. Loosen the accessory belt and use a tensioner tool to release belt tension. Label electrical connectors and remove the alternator mounting bolts with a ratchet. Inspect wiring for corrosion and compare the new alternator to the old unit before installation. Remove the drive belt by rotating the tensioner and sliding the belt off pulleys, keeping routing in mind. Unplug the alternator electrical connectors, then remove the positive cable nut and set the cable aside. Support the alternator and remove the lower and upper mounting bolts, keeping bolts organized for reassembly. Gently lower the alternator from the bracket and inspect the pulley and mounting surfaces for damage or wear before installing the replacement. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel for more maintenance guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during driveway repairs and has a leak-proof lid so you won't spill oil on your tools. It's compact, easy to grab between steps, and makes long jobs more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement alternator into the bracket and hand thread mounting bolts to align the unit. Tighten the bolts to the proper torque and reconnect the positive cable and alternator harness securely. Reroute and reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it sits correctly on each pulley and the tensioner returns to its resting position. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and verify charging system voltage and that there are no abnormal noises or warning lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.